Hello everyone. Hi Libra air sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. Five of Swords, Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands under the deck. Right now there are some issues going between you and your person, Libra. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you, maybe backstabbed on you. Definitely there are some issues, fighting, arguments. You are getting a lot of thoughts. Maybe you're depressed right now. You are in anxiety, energy. Nine of Swords. Seven of Wands. Right now you are also defensive. But you are getting a lot of thoughts. You are emotionally imbalanced because the things right now happening between you and your person. So let's see your reading recent past. Star, Nine of Pentacles, and the Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, especially, or Aquarius. So, recent past, you started focusing on your career, Nine of Pentacles. You want to be independent emotionally and financially. And yes, you started doing that, and you're seeing positive results also because you are focusing on yourself, especially you are focusing on your abundance, financial things, and you want to restore the balance within yourself. You are patiently waiting for something or someone because Temperance is here. You are balancing things right now. You want to balance the things, especially you want to balance within yourself. Then present, King of Cups, King of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. You are feeling stuck. There is financial stability. King of Pentacles, yes, you have financial stability. At the same time, you have so much love towards someone. Maybe there are some issues, but you still love them. But you are feeling stuck. You are unable to make any move due to any reason. It could be, but you are feeling that you are unable to make any move because Ace of Swords. You are feeling stuck. Then future, the Hierophant, Ace of Cups, and Four of Cups. You are feeling missed opportunity with this person, but I think there are some marriage commitment issues between you and your person because you want marriage, you want commitment. From other side, maybe it is not happening. For some, a new love is entering into your life, but you love this person a lot. Yeah, there are some commitment issues. You are feeling missed opportunity, or you are missing them if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, there are some issues regarding the commitment, regarding the marriage. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, or Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Queen of Swords with Eight of Wands. Chariot. Yeah, right now maybe they are not talking to you, but future definitely they will make a move. They will contact you. They will initiate the contact. So let's see their current feelings. Libra. Okay, Queen of Wands. Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Five of Swords. Six of Cups. See, Hierophant. Again under the deck, Hierophant. They are thinking about commitment or marriage right now. And yes, they want to take action, they're thinking about to take action. And maybe for some, your person is very aggressive, very dominant in nature. Yeah, a lot of arguments between you and your person, but they are thinking about you a lot. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups is here. Definitely thinking about marriage. They are thinking about marriage and commitment with you. So let's see their intentions. Six of Pentacles. Page of Wands. Page of Cups. With Sun and Knight of Wands. Children's also involved in this connection. Maybe one person have kids and Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you, Libra. And yeah, their emotions may be running high. Maybe right now they're feeling overburdened. It could be due to emotions, it could be due to work pressure or family, but they're still attracted to you, and they're still very passionate towards you. The Sun card, yeah, they're realizing you both. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Six of Pentacles, maybe they treated you as an option. Right now they want to say apology, text. Definitely there is a chance for communication. For some, you both have age differences also. Yeah, some apology or text is coming. They are thinking about you a lot. Yes, especially about marriage. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ten of Swords, Eight of Cups, Six of Swords, Four of Cups. Right now they are very tired. Very tired. Yes, they're very depressed right now, and they're feeling bored without you. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. And Eight of Cups, maybe they walked away in past. Maybe one person is walked away, but they want to come back with an apology. They're very tired. They're very sad right now, Libra. Two cards. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Yeah, there is no collaboration or partnership in this connection. That's why you are heartbroken. You want collaboration, you want partnership. You are also missing them a lot. But yeah, they're in very slow moving energy, but this time they're coming back. For some, a new person is also entering in your life. So let's see mutual. Queen of Cups with, yeah, communication and lot of emotions towards each other. You both want to talk with each other. You both have strong emotions towards each other. But right now you both are in separation. You both undergoing some transformation. Yes, you both are right now no contact. You both are spiritually awakening. Yes, still there is a lot of passion. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. I always thinking about you. Past person return. I am not feeling good enough for you. New love is coming. I want you back. True love. So the messages are, I always thinking about you. Past person return. I am not feel good enough for you. New love is coming. I want you back. And true love. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. So right now, if you are going through a tough cycle, it is gonna end very soon. Especially when full moon in Capricorn and a new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. See, it's your reading, it's your card, Libra energy. Definitely for some reconciliation, a new romantic cycle begin. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.